let's get you updates as far as the new COVID strain is concerned, because nearly 20 people who returned to India from the UK have tested positive for the new variant. Now, the tally has included 6 other people who were found positive for the new virus strain on Tuesday. The Health Ministry has said that the 6 UK returnees were found positive for the mutated UK variant and has said that all of them have been kept in a single room isolation at a designated healthcare facilities by respective state governments, and their close contacts have also been put under quarantine. Now, the ministry has said from the 25th of November till the 23rd of December midnight, nearly 33,000 passengers had returned from the UK at different Indian airports across the nation, where all of these passengers are being tracked and subjected to RT-PCR tests. Going across to Piyush for a quick update. So there was also, Piyush, the warning that was given by this center to different state governments to keep an eye out and scrutinize all of those passengers, especially who are returning from the UK. And the new mutant has now been found in around 20 of those passengers. What is the precautions that the government of India is taking?
Well, Amita, what we are picking is that all these patients who have been detected, around 20 cases who have been detected, they are being kept under strict monitor, and they have been kept under a strict home isolations also at the different COVID facilities in different states where these cases have been detected. What we are also learning is that the government has made it very clear that the contacts, the close contacts of these patients will also be tracked, and then even they will be isolated. So there are some certain things which the government this moment is now doing. What we're also picking is that yesterday itself during the briefing, Health Ministry had also told us that this new virus is not as lethal as it is being considered, or COVID vaccine cannot control this. There are certain things with which the government has come out, and guidelines have been also issued to the respective state governments. Now we'll have to wait and watch what more guidelines with the government will come out, but there are 20 cases those have now been detected, and the government has is saying that all precautions are being taken, everything is being monitored closely, and also we know that flights have already been cancelled from UK. What we're also picking is that there are chances that this could be extended.
There is no need to panic, as everything is under control, where so far the government strategy also includes temporary blocking and suspending all of those flights that have been coming from the UK, and all of these tests that are being conducted, and special scrutiny and attention is also being given to those passengers who are returning from the UK. Piyush, for the moment, thank you very much.